Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Friday's Assembly. I am joined by the beautiful Year 6 this morning. Take a look at Year 6. There they are over there. No, they're not. There they are. You can't see them because they're blurry. They're waving, but they're blurry, and I can't be bothered to turn off the background. So, never mind. Let's start. Before I hand over to our beautiful Year 6s and their pictures for whether they want to be head boy or head girl or head, I don't know, sports captain or head floor sweeper, whatever they do in Year 6. I am going to share the form captains because the teachers have been thinking long and hard about this. This has kept them up for nights on end coming up with these decisions. But these are the sports captains for the autumn term 2020. Year 6, give me a drum roll. Okay, in no particular order, but starting with reception because they come first. And they have 2 captains in reception. I know Miss Dusty has spent weeks planning this. Her house captains in reception are, tension mounting, the 2 L's, Lucia and Luca. Woo! You get a badge. Badge. And now, congratulations. Moving on to Year 1. And I can't think of a better person to be house captain in Year 1. Can you read my bit of paper? No. The Year 1 house captain is Shreya. Shreya. The house captain. I meant form captain. Shreya, sorry. Now, moving on to Year 2, class 2-3. And the house captain in 2-3 is... No, Mrs. Orr messaging me. The house captain in Year 2-3 is Amelia. Let's have a big smile, Amelia. Woo! Excellent. Virtually shake Amelia's hand, virtually pat her on the back. Thumbs up. Well done. Right, moving on to 4. Oh, yes, I do. This fellow well deserves it. He is a superstar. And the Year 4 form captain is Mr. Smithers Harrington. Well done. Am I the only one that thinks of Mr. Smithers from The Simpsons? And on to class 5, on to Year 5, and the Year 5 form captain is a big responsibility in Year 5. Tension, man. Got the right bit of attention. Thomas Ashby. Ooh, what a Miss Ashby. Congratulations. So we have Lucia, we have Luca, we have Shreya, we have Amelia, we have Harrington, and we have Thomas Ashby. I don't know why I said Ashby because there's only one Thomas in Year 5. But anyway, congratulations, all of you. I'm sure you will make the most of your roles and responsibilities, and there will very shortly be badges, of course, coming around to your classrooms. So now the bit you've all been waiting for, I'm going to hand over to Year 6. They're going to take turns coming up and saying what role or responsibility they want, and then later in the week we're going to have a little vote on it. So, and you're going to have some input as well. I want to know what you think. So they're going to be, whatever they say, you've got to listen. You've got to judge them on how well they present, whether you think they'll be the right person for the job. If they say they want to be head girl but they're actually a boy, then they can't do it, and whatever. So, but we are open-minded. So let's go. Let's start at the beginning of the line. Oh, he looks nervous. Mr. Folan, James Folan, come up to the mic. There we go.
Hello everybody, I'm James Folan and I would like to be head boy so I can make a difference to our school. I believe our education and school experience are as equally as important when we are growing up. I'm a very approachable and friendly person. I'm understanding and confident. I believe it's important to have a head boy as younger pupils need a good role model who they should aim to be like. I will give every student a chance to share their opinions and ideas so that everyone can be heard.
Very nice, James. Well done, James. Now, our next person speaking is going to be Luke Spendlove. Give him a big round of applause.
Hello, I'm Luke and I'm going for Deputy Head Boy. I think I will be good at this responsibility because I have good attendance, so I'm ready to stand in for Head Boy. I'm smart, punctual, and prepared prepared to take head boy's place. Please vote for me.
Luke. Right, so we got James, we've had Luke. Now it's over to Caden. Up you come, sir.
I would really like to be chosen as sports captain. When I was at my previous school, I was very proud to be selected in the role of house captain, and I gained a lot of experience of the responsibilities required through this, including leadership. I have a huge interest in all sports, and I participate in all activities. Sport for me is a major part of my life and has helped me to develop my confidence, team spirit, and core values. I attend sports clubs, including football, where I represent Herringate Football Club in the BCFA League. I'm a keen motivator in sports and always look for the best in everyone, and lead by sports and always look for the best in everyone. Therefore, I would like to represent the school as captain in this area so I can mentor the younger members of the school and work towards delivering the best possible outcomes for Woodlands. I'm going to be taking 3 sports scholarships this year alongside taking the independent secondary school exams, and being made sports captain will be a great achievement and experience in fulfilling my ambitions. Every day, I would usually watch sports in my spare time. Also, last night, I watched the Netball World Cup Women's 2019, and it was extremely good because all they did was teamwork, 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 and that's all you can do. Also, I watched the Tour de France, and that was very good as well because they kept on going, tried their best, and that's all you can do. Thank you for listening.
Very strong picture there from Caden for sports captain. Right, Mr. Grabowski, up you come.
Hello, I am Oliver Grabowski, and this is why I should be picked for Birch House captain. My motto is, never be scared to try out new things. I believe that people who know me would describe me as a friendly, fair, smart, and determined person. I always try to be reasonable. I listen and respect other people's ideas and opinions, because I know how important it is to be heard, included, and to feel as an equal member of the team. I feel confident that I can inspire my team members by highlighting their strengths, and I will always step up when the team needs me. I know I can lead my team and encourage them to reach their full potential. I would feel honoured if I could be picked to be the Birch House captain and lead my team to victory.
Right, moving on from the friendly, fair and determined Oliver Grabowski to Ben. Ben, up you come.
Hi, I am Ben, and it would be an honour to be your sports captain. I would like to take on this role because it suits my personality and I love sports. As your captain, I will lead by example as a good sportsman and offer a supporting hand whenever you need it. I will always look to promote fairness, kindness and a humble attitude whether we are winning or losing. I will always encourage you to be the best that you can be, as that is the Woodlands way. Our school may be small, but it is packed full of winners. Each one of us can achieve great things on our own and as part of a team.
Fantastic. Thank you, Ben. And now, it's all the boys, I've just realised, most of the boys. And now it's over to Zane. Up you come, Zane.
Hello, my name is Zane, and I would like the opportunity to be the house captain of Elm because I am engaging and positive, so teachers and pupils can come and talk to me easily. I am cheerful and love helping others. I am eager to take on this new role and to the best I can for my school and everyone here. Being a house captain for Elm will enhance my experience at Woodlands and teach me new responsibilities.
I like that. Saying cheerful. You are a cheerful person. You do motivate people. So over now to the first of the ladies. Over to Zaina.
Good morning. In the roles of responsibility, I would love to be head girl because I feel like I have certain qualities which are perfect for the job. I would love to represent the school as I'm confident, intelligent, passionate, considerate and enthusiastic. I'm also optimistic, friendly and approachable and have a great sense of humour. To me, head girl is not only about being the best or being popular, it's about having commitment to drive yourself to represent your school and being the best version of yourself. It's not about being better than anyone else, it's about leading by example and doing the best I can for you, including listening to your ideas and carrying them out to my best ability. I have great communication skills and I'm not afraid to speak up, but I'm also a great listener and promise to provide help and support when you need me. Woodlands has done many wonderful things for me during my time here, and I would love to give something back in my last year. Thank you for listening.
Impressive stuff, Zaina. Right, let's hand over to Fran. Maybe you come.
Hi everyone. These are some of my reasons I would like to be your head girl or school ambassador. I'm very kind, responsible, confident and also very patient and calm. I will always make sure I listen to all your concerns or anything you need to tell me. I also think I would be a great role model for all the younger children. I've been at Woodlands since Little Acorns, therefore I know I could answer any questions and show all our visitors our amazing school, which I like to call the Great Big Spark of Woodlands. Thank you for listening.
The Great Big Spark of Woodlands. How lovely. I like that. I might have that made as like a banner over my office. I love that. Thank you, Fran. And over to Ella. Up you come.
Hi everyone, these are some reasons why I would like to be your sports captain. First of all, I really love all sports. It makes me feel happy, fit and healthy. I love working as a team and I feel that great sportsmanship is really important, especially in Woodlands. Another thing that I love doing is representing the school at competitions. I would like to make sure everyone feels the same way about sports as me. And so if I was to be your sports captain, I could help you do that. And we can enjoy sports together. Thank you for listening.
All right. Lovely, Ella. And now over to Alice.
Hi, I would love to be head girl. I've been at Woodlands for as long as I can remember. I think I'd be good at telling visitors how special it is here. I love taking care of others and helping wherever I can. And as head girl, I would be able to set a good example for the young years. I'm happy to stand up in front of others to talk, and I like congratulating people when they've got awards or done something special. Whatever role I'm chosen for, I'll make sure that I'll be the best that I can be. Thank you.
And finally, you got a dilemma now, but finally, last but not least, Mr. Bonner, up you come.
Hi, I'm Oliver Bonner and I'll be running for class ambassador. For this, you have to be kind, loving, smart and confident. Well, you're in luck. Those are my traits. Hopefully, I can make this school a better place, not just for us, but for future generations.
Right. Well, that was a lovely message to finish on. There's some really great messages there and some lovely ideas that people have got. It's going to be a really hard decision for you guys to vote for and for the teachers and finally from Mr. Kernahan and I to make that final decision. It's going to be tough this year. So you may have noticed though that however there was one person missing. Mr. Robotham, we have not forgotten him. He's just going to be in a bit later today, but he will we will find a way of sharing his picture with you as well, but he will not be disadvantaged. So that's given you all something to think about. We'll be giving you more information about how the voting is going to work. in your classes and start having a think, start discussing it, start thinking who you're going to vote for, why you should vote for them. Remember, think about the qualities that those roles require. You know, it's not about popularity, it's about who's the best for that role. Who do you think would represent the school the best as head boy, as head girl, as sports captain? Think of what you know about them, and then make sure that you bear that in mind, particularly if you're one of the classes that's going to be voting. Right. That only leaves me to say we're not going to start golden books till next week, but that leaves me to say have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Thank you very much, Year 6, for everything you added to the assembly today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you as I come around your classes. Take care. Bye bye.